केल्यावर जेव्हा असं झालं की तिला पेन नेमकं त्याच्यामुळे होत आहे आणि त्याला सकिंग नाही करता येते, ही सेड इमिजिएटली नेक्स्ट.
Because it was severe than that.
नाही पण मग ते केल्यामुळे वी वेंट सो पीसफुली. आम्ही काहीच नाही ना तिला त्रास नाही तर एव्हरी 8th day she had some.
So she's your daughter, right?
Yeah. And both of us are doctors. I'm anesthetist, she is gynecologist, and we didn't know about it. That was the worst part of it. म्हणजे मला त्याचा सगळ्यात जास्त त्रास झाला की nobody said ना. आणि 3 pediatrician मी बघितलं. Nobody even thought about it, na?
Right.
याचं मला सगळ्यात वाईट. I'm Dr. Mrs. Bijkar. My daughter delivered last December and gave birth to a very healthy male baby. And we never understood why the baby was always sucking all the time, and mother had problem breastfeeding, engorgement so many times. Not even 10 days would go without having some feeding problem or breast engorgement. She had so much of areolar pain and we didn't know what was the reason. The baby did not gain weight in the 2nd month. And so we were worried, both of us are doctors, but still we didn't know what was the reason of not gaining weight. Nobody said that there could be a problem of tongue tie. My friend who is a lactational expert, she said you get the baby examined, and so we came to Dr. Sunny and he said it's a major type of tongue tie and can cause all these problems. And we got it done comparatively late at the age of 4.5 months. But next day onwards, mother's problems immediately stopped. And now the baby has gained weight and is feeding well. What top feeding was needed has come down from 4 feeds to 2 feeds. And we are very happy about it. Thank you.